This is a multi-lock 7x7 or Garrison that I got in a trade with Paul. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick Z-bar. I don't like that. Alright, let's see. And just the multi-pick longer flag. Try to get this in there so I don't blur it out. So nothing on 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah, it's not right. I know it's not right already. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6, and there's 7. It's 3, 1, and it goes into a little falset. So 2, 3, 4. And here's where I have the problem. 1, 2, 3. I know what pin it is. I know how far down it needs to go. And there we go. So I just had to set the spool on pin 5, and it's a pretty high set. But that is the multi-lock 7x7.